Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to make or create ringtone on your iPhone, iPad and iPod without jailbreak. Here is my iPhone 6 running on iOS 10.2 here, right? And now we waiting for jailbreak too, but no one. So first thing you gonna need is download GarageBand. After download GarageBand, you can follow my video, and you can download GarageBand from here to help her. Open up GarageBand. You can see like this. There are many options over here. It's smart keyboard, smart guitar, drummer, keyboard, drums, and which one you need is you need to choose audio recorder. Click on it and then click on the here button right here and tap on it. Select 30, click done, click on the tab right here. You can see, and now tap on here and tap on music, song, and then find the song. Which one do you like? You can choose which song do you like. But you cannot import. So I will show you how to import to GarageBand. Just hold on the song, hold on here, right here. Hold on until you can see this, and then you can import your audio to GarageBand. And now you tap you can go back and then go to my song. Here is your song. So how to import to ringtone in setting? So you click on select and then tap on your song right here, tap on here, and you can see ringtone. Click on it, continue, and then change the name. I change to ringtone 1. So I click on import. Here it go. You can use it the ringtone right now, or just click OK. And then we go to setting, back to sound, tap on here. You can see ringtone 1. That's all of my video. Hope you like on my video. Click share to your friend, and don't forget click subscribe on my channel. See you next video. Goodbye.